Hello, I'm Kai Ping, and welcome to Mastering PLCnext Technology, a series where we show you how to adopt PLCnext with ease. In today's episode, we'll be exploring PLCnext Engineer, a powerful engineering software for programming and configuring PLCnext control devices. We'll be guiding you through creating new projects, configuring your controller, and adding I/O modules. Open PLCnext Engineer from your desktop or Start menu. Click on File, New Project to start a fresh project. Under Components, Network, ASIO Control, Devices, Finish Contact, ASIO Control, Controller, and choose the specific PLC model you are using from the list of available devices. In this example, we are using AXC F2152 with firmware version 2024. Drag and drop it into the project. Next, double-click on the added controller and go to Settings. Configure the basic settings for the PLC, such as IP address and network parameters. To add I/O modules, navigate to Plant and then Line F. Double-click on Line F to enter device list. Select the required I/O modules from the list. In this example, we are selecting digital inputs, digital outputs, and analog inputs. Next, double-click on each I/O module on the left panel to configure its settings. Adjust any specific parameters such as signal type. Once you have configured the PLC and added the necessary I/O modules, save your project. This ensures that all your settings and configurations are preserved for future use. To download the configurations, click on PLC, then copy. Click on the connect icon to establish a connection between the PLC and your PC. Enter the username and password. By default, the username is admin. The default password can be found printed on the surface of the PLC. Finally, click on the download icon to write the project into the PLC. By following these steps, you can easily create a new project, configure the PLC, and add I/O modules. This process ensures a smooth transition and sets the foundation for further programming and development through PLCnext Engineer. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in exploring more on PLCnext and how it can transform your automation projects, download our PLCnext Engineer software for free on our website and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Let's innovate together with Finish Contact's PLCnext.